So you have finished grading your first class. Let's talk about exporting for like learning management system and LMS and how that works. Again, for years I worked in PowerSchool, so when I wrote this so it would be an ease for me. You could, if you wanted to, just bring up the scores and then you bring up your system and just copy one for one or print it out how you want to. But this was meant to be able to have an export, and it's there for keeping a record. So let's take a look at my practices, how I did that. So I'm going to come on up here. So here I have my class. Everybody's graded except Steven. Steven didn't turn the assignment, so it's totally blank. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go to Download. And then I'm going to go comma separated values.csv. That's what we want because that seems to be the file that most systems want to import, with. So I'm going to go CSV, and it's going to, wait for a second. It's going to say, what do you want to call it? And you're going to notice it's going to be the class name, and it's going to be the assignment name because of the way that I like to have my classes together, and it's going to add the word export, which I like. I put a folder on my desktop, and I call it classes graded, and I'm going to save it there. And there it went through, and then it has already done the area. So let's go ahead and take a look at the file that actually popped up here. So I'm going to double click it. It's going to open up in Excel this time, so it's there. And of course, Excel likes to make everything teeny tiny and small. So just so you can kind of see exactly what's happening here, there's everybody's name, everybody's ID that sits here, and then here are the scores. You're going to go to Steven because he didn't complete the assignment. Steven gets 0 on it, and this is ready to import. You're going to see ID, name, and score, so that when you're wanting to import, those are the categories that you've got. So it's all set up for you, and it's there. And I like it because, again, I'm not going to save it. Because again, what it is, it's got this file, and so I know what to be able to click on when I'm importing it to my LMS. So I hope that helps for you knowing how to be able to export your scores in any one of the grading apps that I